What does it mean to redefine an industry built on tradition? It means pressing on through endless design challenges, sleepless nights, and engineering the impossible. So we went back. We went way back. Picked up a pencil, sharpened it, and hit the drawing board to create something groundbreaking. Introducing the Maxim 9. The world's first integrally suppressed 9mm handgun that is holsterable and hearing safe with all 9mm ammunition in its factory configuration. No more choosing between keeping your pistol as short as possible and adding a silencer. Now, you can have the best of all worlds. The Maxim 9 represents great strides in pistol design and suppressor technology. Shipped in its full-length configuration, the user can shorten the Maxim 9 by over 1 inch. In the short configuration, the Maxim 9 remains hearing safe with subsonic ammunition. Left or right-handed, it doesn't matter. The Maxim 9's ambidextrous design allows you to shoot how you want. The Maxim 9 is purpose-built, enabling you to shoot in the most adverse conditions. As firearm enthusiasts ourselves, we know you demand the best. That's why we won't settle for anything less than perfection.